Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're unboxing and reviewing two more Inno64 special editions from the China Expo. If you do enjoy this sort of content, make sure to drop it a like and also subscribe if you are new, as it really does help the channel out and it is greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump straight into checking out these two special edition models. So starting us off, we've got this Liberty Walk RX-7 FD3S LB Super Silhouette, and as you can see, the box is really cool, coming in this nice bright blue with the color scheme or the trim around the same as the car around the box. Again, as standard, all the Inno details on the bottom of the box, but you can also see it does have the Liberty Walk logo on the back as well. You can also see on the flap on the inside, it has got the Liberty Walk logo with that coloured trim as well, with that rainbow style. And same goes for the packaging, very similar to the outside of the box with the Liberty Walk logo, obviously the RX-7 and the same colour blue as the car. You can see as standard all the details on the bottom of the box with the Liberty Walk Super Silhouette on the front. And then the base as well, you can also see that nice red and yellow trim around the base, just to centre the model, also with the Liberty Walk and the name of the model, also the Inno64 logo at the back. You can also see the model looks very cool and super vibrant. And now with the model up close, you can see how much the colour does pop, especially that trim around the car. You can see the yellow really contrasts the blue, and the same goes for the red and the burgundy. Obviously the same colour trim is on the wheels. You can see the back ones do have some movement, but the front ones do not at all. You can see the front have got this nice turbo fan wheel, which look really cool and are extended from the tyre. Very cool and really intricate. Same goes for the back. You can see that slanted number plate alongside the nicely detailed tail lights, also with the Mazda logo as well, or the Mazda badge. You can also see that Mazda window banner and also the Blackfish decal very well applied on the windscreen, and you can also see there is a bit of a detailed interior with the bucket seats having some painted harnesses, which I did think was quite cool. Obviously you can see the back of this car is super aggressive, and that, like I say, that number plate is really clear, and so is that Mazda badge, very clear on the rear of the model. And obviously this car is a real life car, and proportionally I think they've got it very well done. Obviously it is a homage to the Porsche 935, and you can definitely see the resemblance. Now this does make me personally a huge fan, as I do absolutely love Porsche as well. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. As you can see, the detail is very cool on this model, and I would highly recommend if you do get the chance to grab this. We do sell them over at the Ultimate Diecast Garage, so I would recommend checking us out on Facebook, as we do have a few remaining in stock, so make sure to be quick so you don't miss out. But now let's check out the second model of the video, which is this Liberty Walk Ferrari F40. Now, if you have been a long time subscriber of the channel or a viewer, you will know that I have already unboxed the matte black version of this Ferrari, but I thought it would be definitely really cool to check out the all chrome version, as obviously the chase to the matte black version was raw. And as you can see, this model is a mirror finish. You can literally see me in the model, which is absolutely incredible. Obviously the packaging nice and chrome as well, but obviously you've got to worry about fingerprints with that, hence why I definitely made sure I wore gloves for this. But again, you can see the base nice and standard with the Liberty Walk F40, just like the other ones that I did unbox. Now obviously the standout feature for this car is the mirror finish, and you still can see some of the detail. Even the badges are actually a bit more prominent on the chrome, obviously the yellow being a nice contrast. Now obviously you can see the wheels are stuck in place, or they do kind of move, but they are meant to be stuck. Obviously the tyre writing super clear, and same goes for all the writing on the model. All the decals very clear and very well applied. This is just becoming a very good standard for Inno64, as their quality control is definitely improving. But you can see there is some writing on the spoiler there, which unfortunately my camera doesn't quite pick up, and I couldn't quite read it myself, so I don't actually know what it does say. But you can see, like I did say with the original model, these are very cool. Obviously the Liberty Walk F40, again another car in real life, and definitely one I would recommend doing some research on or checking out the real life version, as it's super cool and a really cool homage to the iconic Ferrari F40. Now, I will say, this model being chrome, there is a tiny few little blemishes in the paint or the finish. Now, that isn't the end of the world, as obviously chrome is super hard to actually get done, but it is something I did notice nonetheless. But you can also see, besides that, it has got a nicely detailed engine, which again is very cool and adds to that detail. Obviously, overall, the rear of the model, the whole of the model is very well done. You can see that carbon spoiler really playing a nice contrast to the chrome of the model. Also, same goes for the red bucket seats. Again, let me know which one was your favourite in the comments down below. Do you prefer the RX-7 or do you prefer the Ferrari F40? But with that being said, I am going to wrap it up here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you are new, as it is greatly appreciated. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.